how to download Vantage application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to start trading, exploring Forex apps, or simply looking to install the Vantage app on your phone for the first time, here is how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Vantage and search. Look for this Vantage all-in-one trading app from Vantage Global Prime Pty Limited and then tap the Get or the Install button to begin the download process. On your iOS, authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your password for your Apple account. Now your download will start. Wait for the download and installation to complete. And once it does, you can launch open the app, start off by creating or signing up for a new account. If you already have an account, you can sign into it by entering your credentials and start exploring. Remember, always download the app from the official stores to stay safe from fake versions or scams. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.